Attention! We are at a port located in the province of Taiwan. These just-caught giant manta rays, also known as devilfish, are the largest species among mantas. Today, we will see how the Taiwanese separate and prepare these freshly caught giant manta rays. To kill these fish, they usually start by cutting off the head, as the head doesn't have much culinary value and is usually discarded. Inside the head, besides the gills, there is only the skull, so it is generally separated and removed. It is said that this fish is closely related to sharks, and the texture and taste of the meat are very similar, so many people do not like to eat this fish. The price is quite cheap, ranging from a few to several dollars, and in some places, no one wants to buy them. However, it is said that the intestines and liver of this fish are good, similar to the intestines of the sunfish, known as dragon intestines. After removing the viscera, they also separate the backbone and cut the fish in half to be sold in the market and eventually served at the table. Although the texture and taste of the meat are not as good as other fish, if well prepared, it can be quite tasty. Now, let's see how they transform this fish into a delicacy. They cut the fish meat into similarly sized pieces, add salt, cumin powder, and other seasonings, along with an egg and some white wine to marinate. The egg makes the meat more tender, and the white wine removes the strong smell. This greatly improves the texture and flavor. After marinating, they coat the fish pieces with starch, as they will be air-fried before being cooked. Preparing a special fish to make it tasty requires some effort and cannot be done lazily. Meanwhile, onions and peppers are sautéed to be used in the fish preparation. The red and green peppers make a great combination. After sautéing for a while, they add a sauce for cooking. We don't know exactly what it's made of, but it probably contains several ingredients. It looks very good. After frying the fish, it is added to the pan to cook together. Cooking with these ingredients, the dish looks delicious and appetizing, with color, aroma, and flavor. After cooking on high heat, the dish is removed from the pan. If you don't know, you might even think it's braised pork ribs. Finally, they add some chopped green onions for garnish, and the giant manta ray dish is ready. It looks very good, and since this fish has soft cartilage, it's crunchy to eat, and when well prepared, it tastes good. Did you enjoy watching how the Taiwanese prepare giant manta rays? Be sure to give a like if it made your mouth water and comment below what you think of this exotic recipe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss any of our culinary adventures around the world. Join us and discover amazing flavors in every video. See you next time, culinary adventurers.